Go down the slide.
Huh?
Go down the slide. Whoa.
See?
I see.
Huh?
You okay? No, Shay. No.
Okay.
Yes, go around the back.
Okay.
You can jump. Wow, that was a big one.
Huh? Okay. I'm done now.
You're done now?
Yes. I'm done.
You're outside?
Huh?
Are you outside?
Yes.
Do it.
Huh?
Go.
Okay.
No, slide.
Slide.
Slide. Yep, you can jump. Be careful. Yeah. Good job. I know you jumped, Shayla. Kenny's not out here, babe. Jeez. Do it. Do. One time? Okay, slide one more time. Do it. Go, 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 go. Don't get stuck halfway. You're jumping, Mama? Okay. I see you. Good job, baby. You're jumping, that's right. And you're sliding. Can you say sliding? Good job, baby. Woo. Jeez. Your head's a mess, kid. Whoa. You can jump. Hey, can you come here for a sec? Come here. Look at Mama. Can you do the chicken dance? Do it again.
A puppy?
You hear the puppy?
Yes.
What's the puppy say? What's the birdie say? No, a birdie doesn't say that, you silly gooser. What's a snake say? Here, look at Mama. What's a snake say? What's the monkey say? What's he say? Yeah? You're going to slide now? Okay. Jeez. What'dy, babe?
When you're done taking a picture of her, can you come inside and put up your phone? I want to play it.
We'll see. Why don't you go down the slide once so I can videotape you too?
Okay. Shayla, want me to get on your lap? Want to get on my lap? And do it. Want to get on my lap? And go. I'm also going to take a picture of us. Hey, Mom, can you also take a picture of me with Shayla in my lap?
Yes, babe.
When you're done taking the picture, can I play that?
We'll see.
Put on Shayla. No.
Cole, you're going to make her mad, buddy. He got your shirt?